Want to set up retargeting in Proof Analytics? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, so you can start seeing results fast. Retargeting is an essential tool in digital marketing, allowing you to bring back visitors who have shown interest in your site but didn't convert. With Proof Analytics, setting up retargeting is easier than you think. And in the next few minutes, you'll be able to harness this powerful tool to boost your conversions. First off, if you're new to Proof Analytics, it's an incredible software that helps businesses personalize their websites and increase conversions by showing relevant proof of social proof to visitors. And today, we're focusing on how to set up retargeting, which is one of the best ways to engage potential customers who didn't convert the first time they visited. Before diving into the setup, it's worth noting that you can try Proof Analytics for free using the first link in the description below. We've got exclusive bonuses for new users, so don't miss out on that. Now, let's get into the process. Setting up retargeting in Proof Analytics requires three main steps: creating a segment of visitors to retarget, designing the retargeting message, and setting the campaign to launch. Start by creating a segment for your retargeting campaign. This segment is made up of the users who have visited your site but haven't completed the desired action, like making a purchase or signing up. To do this in Proof Analytics, you'll need to access your dashboard, click on Segments, and create a new segment based on the user behavior you want to target. You can choose criteria like page visits, time on site, or actions taken, like clicking a button but not completing a purchase. Once your segment is set, it's time to craft your retargeting message. Proof Analytics makes it simple by letting you design personalized pop-ups, notifications, or banners that will be shown to these retargeted users when they return to your site. You can customize the message based on the segment you've created, making it relevant to their previous interaction with your site. This is the key to increasing your chances of conversion. Make sure the message resonates with their needs and reminds them why they should take action. Next, you'll need to choose where and when to display your retargeting message. Proof Analytics allows you to set triggers so you can decide exactly when these messages should appear. For example, you could show the retargeting banner after a visitor scrolls 50% of your page or after they spend a certain amount of time on your site. This keeps the experience non-intrusive, while still reminding them of what they missed. After that, you'll integrate your retargeting setup with your ad platforms like Google Ads or Facebook to target users who visit your site but don't convert. Proof Analytics has integrations that make this process smooth, allowing you to track performance across platforms and optimize your retargeting efforts for the best results. One thing to keep in mind is that retargeting works best when you're strategic about how often you show ads to your audience. If you retarget too aggressively, it might annoy users, but if you do it right, it can lead to much higher conversions. The beauty of Proof Analytics is its flexibility, letting you control the timing and frequency of your retargeting messages. As you set up your retargeting campaign, be sure to test different variations of your messages. Proof Analytics gives you A/B testing tools so you can experiment with different headlines, designs, and calls to action to see what resonates best with your audience. This testing is crucial to maximizing the effectiveness of your retargeting strategy. Now let's talk about results. Once your retargeting is live, you'll start seeing data that shows how well your messages are performing. Proof Analytics tracks conversions, clicks, and engagement, so you can fine-tune your campaigns as needed. The insights will help you continually improve and make smarter marketing decisions. And remember, you can try Proof Analytics completely free right now with the exclusive bonuses available through the link below. This gives you the chance to explore all the features mentioned in this video and more without any risk. To recap, setting up retargeting with Proof Analytics is a simple process. Create a segment, design your message, and set your campaign to launch. With its powerful tools and integrations, Proof Analytics can supercharge your retargeting efforts and increase your conversions. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out the link below for your free trial of Proof Analytics. You'll get an extended trial with exclusive bonuses to help you hit the ground running. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.